there, lovely peoples. What the? Who knows? Right off the bat, who knows? That could possibly be sublimation ink on the inside of the glove coming off my hand. So this is an interesting adventure. This is the first time I have made non-goat's milk or milk soap in probably about, I'd have to say, 4 or 5 years. It's been a while, although I'd have to go back over my old videos to double check, but it's been a minute. So yeah, so this has no goat's milk in it. It just has added water because I use, and obviously not all the hard oils were melted completely. I use a 1-to-1 ratio master batch, and then I just add whatever else I need to take it up to, you know, whatever water discount that I want or liquid discount that I want. And yeah, so this is it. So this could be interesting. Now, oh my god, the smells today are amazing. I have made my own fragrances. I'm making it's a vegan soap, which is why it has no goat's milk in it. It's a completely different recipe to what I normally work with. It's my own formulated recipe. I've made it before, but it's been a very long time. Now I'm going to, this is a very citrusy fragrance, so I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, or however you want to pronounce it. I don't care. I'm sure there's a correct pronunciation. It's kind of funny. It's like when I know what the correct pronunciation is of something and people don't say that, I get the shits. And when I don't know what the correct pronunciation is, I don't care. Funny that, isn't it? Anyway, so I'm going to give this a whiz, get it, because everything's in here ready to go. And then we'll see what colour it is and we'll go from there. The reason I put the, oh look at the swirl, how cute is that? Couldn't have timed that any better. The reason I've put the turmeric in now is because I want it to have a base colour, and I've got to stick blend it anyway to incorporate the lye, so I figured I may as well just do that, because I was thinking I might do a drop swirl and just darken a portion of it with a bit more turmeric. I have put the turmeric in as a powder because I like that speckled look. You can not do the speckled look. I think if you put it in your oils as like an infusion and then strain it, or I think maybe in your lye. I'm not entirely sure. I don't tend to work with like natural additives very much. Anyway, let me finish doing this and we'll get stuck in. Hot diggity damn, I'm loving the look of this. Oh, I'm so glad I suggested the turmeric to her because it's beautiful. Yeah, I don't, like I said, I don't work with natural colorants a lot because I just don't feel the necessity, because I just make soap. I'm not making like vegan soaps, or you know, it's natural soaps or whatever you want to call them. You know, I like colour. Hello, I like colour. So yeah, so I am not knowledgeable with natural colorants, but I know stuff. I just have it written down. I just don't know a lot. I know stuff. So I don't drink and I know stuff. Oh dear, this is the worst soap. I knew it would make me feel better. I swear to God, I feel like absolute shit today. Not just having a bad day, people. And I just wasn't going to come and soap, and I thought I'll just come downstairs for 5 minutes. You know, so I had to put the washing in the dryer, and I thought I'll bring the phone just in case, and here I am, sure enough, soaping. So then, I guess, you know, instinctively I know that it's going to make me feel better, because it always does. Now I'm going to do a fair amount, I think, because I want a good drop swirl. I mean, if I'm going to drop swirl, I may as well do a good drop swirl. And yeah, again, all I'm going to do, I'm not doing anything fancy with this. I'm just going to add a little bit more turmeric into this one, just to make it more speckly, a little bit darker. Oh god, that stinks. It's got a mouthful of it. Yuck. I don't like the stuff. I had to. Obviously, it's brand new because I had to buy it. And that was the other reason why I didn't soap until at least today, because my deliveries just came. That's definitely not enough. Actually, you know what we'll do? Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in the opposite direction. I don't really want to add any other colours, so I'm just going to add some titanium to that. Does turmeric normally make a soap trace? Because that's really thick. Interesting. Alright, this gorgeous fragrance, which has clementine, orange, spearmint and mandarin in it. Some of those are essential oils, some of those are fragrance oils. The fragrance oils are from the fragrance oils are from Range, and the essential oils are from Buckley and Phillips. They are the only essential oils that I ever use or like. Not saying anyone else's are bad, but I refuse to use MLMs because they're a bunch of rip-off wankers. And who's going to pay those sorts of prices? I mean, you're an idiot. Honestly, I'm sorry if I've just insulted a bunch of people, but well, actually, you know what? I'm not. I take that back. I'm not sorry. If you're stupid enough but that's the thing, like, I know smart people who have fallen for MLM bullshit. I just don't understand it. Is it just that the whole get rich quick thing? Is that what it is? Does that blind people to the truth? Maybe. You know, there's no, you don't get, if it sounds too good to be true, people, it friggin' is. Then again, anyone who tells you that working hard will make you money, they're full of shit too. I work my ass off. I work so hard. I can't even begin to tell you how hard I work. And yes, am I rich? No. Am I even remotely rich? No. Am I ever going to be? Probably not. Of course that went in there. Where else was that going to go? But anyway, do I enjoy what I'm doing? Yes. And I guess that's probably more important than money. At least it should be. Actually, oh, you know what? I'm actually quite looking forward to testing this soap out and seeing how it feels on the skin. It does have a little bit more coconut than I normally put in. Not very much. I'm using 15% as opposed to 10. So, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, well, okay, I don't drink, I know things, and I can't speak. There you go, that's my new motto. Yeah, in the grand scheme of things, it's really not that much, but because this has no tallow in it, it's not going to be as conditioning. Although it does have shea, so it'll be interesting. It really will be interesting to see how this feels. And the fact that it's got no goat's milk in it either means it won't be as super fatted as my soaps usually are, because goat's milk counts towards your super fat because it has fats in it. But yeah, I just added water to this one just because it was the easiest additive to add to a friggin' vegan soap. So yeah, it'll be interesting anyway. It'll be soap and it'll clean people and it won't feel shitty, I don't think. It's also got more olive oil than I normally use as well. Alright, I'm not going to do anything fancy. Just going to do this because there are a few lighter bits on the top there. So we can sort of get those to Yeah, I lost it there. I just completely lost it there. It's like I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I don't know. I just lost that. Oh, Tanya's having a bad day. I've had migraine issues. Migraines, not side effects. What are they? Symptoms, that's the ones. Migraine symptoms. But I don't have a migraine, so I mean I'll rephrase that. I'm headachy, but it's not like I have to lay down in a dark room and where there's no noise. So yeah, the one thing I have noticed is my figure eights always go to one side. I mean, it's obviously an unconscious thing. Now, in case you didn't know, there's no such thing as the subconscious. That's like a fallacy. Now, you have a conscious and an unconscious. There's no middle ground. You're either consciously aware of something or you're not. Because you can't be, if you're partially aware of it, you're aware of it. So yeah, so for those of you who don't know, because we do always say in our subconscious, but that's literally not a thing anymore. So it's your unconscious. There you go. I've actually been thinking about starting this little series called You May Not Know. Just little bits of trivia like that. I'm not going to tip it because it's still fairly liquid, but look at the speckle. Isn't it beautiful? How lovely is that? I love the colour. It's not super yellow, which is not what I was going for anyway. I just wanted that sort of natural sort of, I'm really digging this. I think I might have to use that turmeric again. The next one I'm going to colour with matcha, so that should be interesting. And while I get to see that in a minute, you can see that next week or whenever I release the video. But we will be back in a minute for the cutting. Bye. Hello. Oh, this smells so good. It's lost so much colour. This is why I don't like natural colorants. It actually looks like oatmeal soap. Yes, I'm in my dressing gown. I was all ready for bed. Oh, not ready for bed. I was just chilling out, watching a bit of YouTube. It's Friday night at 6 o'clock. And I was like, yeah, I'm done for the day, you know. And went, oh shit, I've got soaps to cut. So I came down. Wow, that's a gel ring. Holy shit. That's a massive gel ring. Oh, smells so good. Smells so good. That's an ugly piece. Oh yeah, that's translucent. Wow. Translucent. That's a dude off that show. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. It's different. I'm really keen to see what colour it ends up going. It's a nice little swirl. You know, oh, sorry for the sniffling. I went to the doctor's today. Oh, that was fun. Oh, she doesn't know what's wrong with me. No one knows what's wrong with me. I've got to go and get x-rays and friggin' a blood test, but she's checking my friggin', she'll check my hormones again. She's going to check my lymph somethings. I don't know what. And my iron levels, she thinks my iron levels have dropped again. And kidney functions and liver functions. I really like this soap. So yeah, so I come home and I was like, yeah, fuck it, I'm done today. Just that looks like, excuse me, looks like a mermaid's butt down into a tail. Tell me I'm wrong, because I'm not wrong. You know I'm not wrong. Now I've said it, you can't not see it. That's so cool. So yeah, so probably Monday. Oh no, not Monday, because Ozpost didn't deliver my friggin' Ozpost, mate. Don't even start me with Ozpost. Seriously, I got an email today Ozpost saying, oh, you know, more and more people are choosing to use Ozpost, so we're going to put your prices up. I'm like, excuse me? How does that work? They are making more money than ever because more people are using Ozpost, so that they can pay their drivers more or whatever, they're going to charge us more, even though people are using the service more. Like, what the... I don't get that. But anyway, yeah. I ordered... What the hell is that? That is so cool. It kind of looks like a hippie snail with like a big mustache, and that's his shell on his back. Man, I'm not on drugs, and this is why I don't need to be on drugs. Yeah, no, Ozpost was supposed to... I ordered some post-paid satchels, as I have no small ones left, and I have about 5 orders that need to go out, that need to go in small satchels, and they didn't come, so I guess that's another couple of days they don't get friggin' sent. Because it's Friday now, and they won't come until like late Monday afternoon. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. That's a really interesting soap. I'm really surprised at the colours. Like, how translucent it is, now that I've stopped whinging about everything else. Like, you see in there, so you can see through it. It's so cool. I really like it. Oh, that was in my pocket. My pocket just dinged. That's really interesting. And yes, it's got a great big hole in it, but that's what happens when you do that. But like, considering how much paler, get a piece, the outside is compared to the inside, it'd be interesting to see what happens. Whether it'll all go more yellow, or it's only just going to stay yellow where it's gelled. It should be really interesting. I'm looking forward to this. I love the speckles. I'm glad I did that. So yeah, alright. Oh, and I'm dinging. More dingings. Look, it's got to be Keely. Let's have a look. It's usually Keely. It's the only person I talk to. No. What? My kid's a weirdo. I'm going to read this message because he's weird. Alright. So see you later. Bye.